Find out how I turn this boring old chair into this fun, colorful chair by using this, the Paint Zoom 3000 sprayer. Paint Zoom 3000 and paint like a pro. So I filled up my Paint Zoom with a latex paint here, and I'm going to be starting my project. But first, before I figure out, start painting and stuff like that, they suggest to use a piece of cardboard just to figure out if, with the paint density, the volume coming out, if that's appropriate for what your project is. I have a little project here where I'm painting chairs. This is going to be the first one I'm doing. They're just basic, like little chairs that I have throughout the house that we use, if there's, extra guests that come over and we're all around and about, they just break out, so instead of just being plain wood, we're gonna, funkify them with some nice color and make them little accents inside, inside the room. But again, first, let me figure out with the Paint Zoom, was it 3000? Yeah, this is the 950 watt motor one, so this one's a little bit heavier duty than the base model, which is 700 watt. So I already preset it to the angle one, which should give you like a circular spray pattern, good for small things and getting in the corners of stuff. So again, this chair has little like little angles and stuff like that. I have it upside down because I'm going to do the bottom first. But again, let's get to the cardboard and let's turn this baby on and see what can be done. Here we go. Nice. So yeah, that's the paint. It's good to go. I'm excited. I used the that first, and I'm going to start my project. Pretty excited. Here we go. As you can see, I am a novice, but I was able to tackle a lot of this right away. And I'm going to flip the chair over and get some more painting done and then let it dry. All right, cool. Here we go. Now I just got to find a place where I didn't paint. There we go. Ugh, got my hands all done, but that's because, again, I'm a novice. Just clean my hands and then finish this sucker off and let it dry and tell you what I think. But so far, this has only been a few minutes and I got a whole chair done. Turn on the power. Okay, excellent. As the French say, voila. I just painted a chair, first time. The Paint Zoom really did its job. I really appreciate its ease. Can't wait to get to more painting. Really enjoy it. Giving it a rating out of like 5 stars, I'm gonna say 4.7, and it could go up because I think a lot of the spray everywhere that I went, like I didn't think about what I was doing. I was just like, oh, spray. And then I'm like, oh, I'm spraying something there. It's going right through. That's because, again, I'm a trier, not a DIYer. So I tried. I'm sure the DIYers out there are probably going, what are you doing, man? You got to prep this, do that. I'll figure it out. And the Paint Zoom 3000 was awesome. 4.7 stars. Is that what I gave it? I like it. I really do. It's really cool. And you know what? It's pretty darn clean too afterwards. And I heard it's very easy to clean. I was using latex
paint, so a little warm water and soap should clear out everything. And run it with some water in there with some soap. You should clear it right out and be good for the next job. Different color if you like. It's awesome. I really enjoy it.
Paint Zoom was kind enough to send me the Paint Zoom Paint Sprayer 3000 so I can try out some home projects. One of the projects I had to do was to paint some chairs that are kind of just like accent chairs throughout the house. If we have guests, more guests than we have seats, we pull these chairs out, and instead of just being your basic wood color, we decided to have some fun colors. Like this one is a like a lilac color, and it just adds a little bit more pleasingness to the room when they're out. The Paint Zoom 3000, I tell you, it is fast, it's easy, there's no mess with the paint, and you paint like a pro. That's all I gotta say about that. I mean, people were pretty impressed by all the different colors that we had, chair-wise, and it was just nice, for a little brunch that we had. So, it's great for your homeowner who has craft projects, or if you're artsy and you want to have an art project or any type of crafting. It's great for your DIYers and your DIY-trier like me, because it's always an adventure when it comes to me. The Weekend Warrior, it's great because it's easy to clean, fast, all that great stuff. Highly suggest the Paint Zoom paint sprayer. So, why choose the Paint Zoom 3000 paint sprayer? Well, it comes with an amazing assortment of features, like simple one-touch operation, easy to use, just one hand, and then go ahead and paint away as you squeeze down. All right. Also, it has a 5-foot reinforced flexible hose for quick connection. Check this out. Boop. Boop. Air shoots into there. Paint comes out of here. Amazing. There's two different styles. You have the basic, which has a 700-watt motor. That's your base model. And then we have here the 950-watt motor for the platinum model. I highly suggest that because it's really cool and very, very effective. It comes with large containers, 30 ounce or 900 milliliters. There is a 3-way adjustable nozzle. So we go ahead and we can turn that depending on whether you're going to be doing a vertical, horizontal, or more detailed spray. You adjust your sprayer nozzle to the type of job that you have going for you. There's also a paint flow adjuster in the back here, so if you need more or less, depending on how detailed or how large the surface that you're spraying. Like I had to use a more smaller and more precise spray because I didn't want to get just as much on the behind it than on it. So I was using a very small, precise painting when I was doing my chair. Also, it's got commercial grade housing. Look at that. Very sturdy, very hardy. But you're not going to be jumping into walls with this or anything like that. But again, it's very sturdy, easy to hit power button, and really liked it. Really awesome. So it comes with a handy strap here for carrying. It's adjustable. There's a nozzle cleaner. I got a bunch of stuff here. A viscosity cup for the types of paint or stain that you use. You want to make sure you're using the proper thickness. That's what the viscosity is for your project for the paint sprayer. And there is also a paint strainer right here. It comes with lots of them actually. You want to use this so you just want to filter out any of the impurities, because again you don't want it to go into your nozzle and clog your nozzle and then you get like some type of imperfect pattern. The paint strainer here will help keep any little particles out that's not supposed to be inside your paint sprayer. The Paint Zoom 3000 you can get by visiting at www.paintzoom.com. I highly suggest go there. There's plenty of shipping information and all that stuff there. Just go there and get yourself this amazing paint sprayer. That's it. Thank you for watching. If you like my DIY project, give me a thumbs up. I had to go ahead and paint chairs for an upcoming brunch that we had, and yeah, that was my project. What's your special DIY painting project that you're going to be working on? Leave us a comment below. We'd like to hear what you got going for you there. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Hit that red button and you'll be subscribed to this channel. We'd like to keep it growing with you guys, all you DIYers out there just like you and DIY triers like me. Also tap the icon, the bell icon, to receive notifications whenever there's a new post on a video here. And yeah, so, leave comments. We'd love to hear from you. It'd be awesome. And also, the Paint Zoom 3000, if I had to rate it out of 5 stars, I give it 4.5. Why? Because I have got now a huge honey-do list because of the versatility of this Paint Zoom. I can stain now bookshelves. I can paint rooms. It's endless, and that honey-do list is getting endless now. So I highly suggest go to paintzoom.com. Again, that's www.paintzoom.com and get your very own Paint Zoom Sprayer 3000. All right? Until next time. Bye.